Hi guys, so today we're going to put a little spin on a classic favorite. We're going to make some Asian sloppy joes. Now to start off, I'm going to go ahead and brown some ground beef in a skillet, and then I'm going to drain it. This had a lot of fat on it, but you want to make sure you drain it, and then I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and saute some onions and minced garlic. Now if you don't mind texture to your onions, you could just go ahead and throw them into the ground beef, but I wanted to get mine nice and soft, so I sauteed them a little bit. And once they're soft, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef back in. I'm going to season it with a little bit of black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm going to let that cook for a few seconds just so it can stick to the meat. And now to make the sauce, you're going to add in some ketchup, hoisin sauce, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some low sodium soy sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in well. We're going to let that simmer for a couple of minutes. So next we're going to make our slaw topping. I'm using some pre-mixed coleslaw mix from the grocery store. I'm going to add in some green onions, black pepper, a little bit of parsley flakes, mayo, and some fresh lime juice. We're going to mix that well, and then there's our slaw topping, nice and easy. So now we're just going to put everything together. I would suggest toasting your buns. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds, and then top it with our slaw topping. Classic, but different, and oh so good. Yum.